Hi guys, thank you for coming back to watch my channel again. I want to know, what do you think about this vegetable toast? It is vegetable plus cucumber toast. I'm serving it with hot tea. Yeah, what do you think? If you have not subscribed, consider to subscribe for more sharing on kitchen skills. Feel most welcome. Watch till the end. God bless you. Hi my lovely viewers, thank you for coming back to watch my channel again. I'm so humbled. Today I want to show you a tip, a breakfast tip. Sometimes if you're tired of making same sandwich, you can try this one. I'm gonna make a sandwich, a vegetable plus cucumber sandwich toast. Yeah, I need 2 eggs here. This is my cucumber, this is my spinach, this is bread, and this is my cheese. So this is all I need to make my breakfast, super breakfast. Okay, enjoy. For me, preparation is very important, so I have to break my egg already. I use a fork to mix. When you use a fork to mix, it becomes smooth easily. So I want to cut my spinach into small pieces and my cucumber round, small round circles, small circles. Let's go together. After washing my cucumber, you make sure you wash it very clean. Then I have to cut it small circles. Okay, this is my cucumber for sandwich. I put them aside. Start my spinach. You can use another vegetable, any vegetable that you can use to make salad. You can use cabbage, you can use kale, you can use muchicha. Yeah, for me, I decided to use spinach. Yeah. So I come with my cheese. Remember, I have my bread here. So I have to apply my cheese on one face of the toast. This one face of the slice, okay, like this. Another, I have 4 pieces of bread. Okay, the third one, you put a generous amount, enough, like this. Next time, this is part of the preparation. Now you see, this is how they should look like. The face that has cheese have to face upward, okay? After putting cheese, this is how it's supposed to look like. Yeah. So I come with my pan. This is my pan here. I just put oil, little oil, not too much oil, little oil. Then I come with my brush and spread the oil all over the pan. Yeah, then after spreading like that, now I will put it on fire. Then I put my egg. This is my pan now. You make sure you use low heat because now I want to pour my egg. Don't touch the egg, just leave it to spread. Okay, until it becomes dry. You'll see once it becomes dry. Don't spread it like this now. It seems to be okay. Low heat. So I also flip it over. Just cut it into 4 because I have 4 pieces of bread, just like this. So what I'll do, I'll just take one piece and put it in one piece like this. Okay, take another piece, this one, and put it here nicely. Okay, take this other one, put it here. Take this other one, put it here. What I'll do, I just take my vegetable, like this, put here. Okay, I start with the vegetable, put here, come with my cucumber now. So you get the other piece now, you cover it, the other parts. Now after covering it like this nicely, put it on the pan like this. Yes, I'll take the other cover like this. Nicely put it on the pan like this. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's check if it has changed color. Just flip it over. Yes, that is how it looks inside the pan. Check the other one. flip it over. Yes, you see, that is how it looks inside the pan. I think now it's ready. We need to put it out like this. This out like this. Yeah, I'm done. I want to cut it and put it on the table and put it ready for my family. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now you cut it horizontal to make it a love figure, to produce a V. Okay, let's do it together. See how it looks? Love. Huh? Put it here. Okay, now I can present it to the table for my family to enjoy. This is how yummy it looks.